In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to recover deleted files in Google Drive. If you've accidentally removed an important file, don't worry. In many cases, Google Drive makes it easy to restore deleted items, as long as they're still in the bin. I'll walk you through the process clearly so you can get your file back in just a few moments. To begin, go to your Google Drive homepage. This is the main area where you normally view your files, folders, and recent activity. Once you're there, take a quick look at the left-hand side of the screen because that's where the navigation menu is located. In the left-hand column, click on Bin. This is the section where deleted files are temporarily stored before they are permanently removed. If you recently deleted something by mistake, there's a good chance it will still be here. Opening the bin allows you to review everything that has been removed from your drive, but not yet erased forever. Once you're inside the bin, find the item you want to recover. This could be a document, spreadsheet, image, PDF, or even a folder. If you have a lot of deleted items, take a moment to carefully scan the list so you choose the correct file. It's a good idea to double-check the file name before restoring it, especially if you have similar documents. Next, click on the three dots next to the item you want to restore. These three dots open the File's Options menu where you'll see actions related to that deleted item. This menu is useful because it gives you direct access to the restore feature without needing to open the file itself. From that menu, click on Restore. As soon as you do that, Google Drive will move the file out of the bin and place it back into its original location in your drive. If the original folder still exists, the file should return there automatically. If you don't see it right away, you may want to check My Drive or use the search bar at the top to locate it quickly. And that's it. That's how to recover deleted files in Google Drive. Just remember that this method works for files that are still in the bin, so it's best to restore important items as soon as possible. If this helped you, feel free to keep this process in mind for the next time a file is accidentally deleted.